Since I started with 3D printing, my biggest questions were, should I adjust the belts or leave them as they are? After doing some research, I discovered that the tension of the belts can indeed affect the printed parts. If the tension is too low, the belt might slip, leading to visible marks or flaws in the print. On the other hand, if the tension is too high, it can cause vibrations that interfere with achieving that perfect result. With that in mind, a tool was developed to help with this process, which I will link in the first pinned comment. Once you download this tool, simply load it into your slicer. The site itself suggests using a standard 0.2mm layer height profile with a 0.4mm nozzle and 20% infill, along with 2 to 3 perimeters for this print. It's important to use PLA for this part to avoid mechanical modifications and to get more accurate results. After setting up the profile, just go ahead and print it. In this case, I used Eco-Filament from 3D Prime. As you can see, my bed wasn't perfectly leveled, but fortunately, it didn't affect the final outcome. Once the print was done, I thought about using a black marker to make the markers more visible, but it ended up being a mess, though at least now it's easier to see. Now, let's move on to how to use it, and I'll tell you right away, it's very easy. First, loosen the belt completely, then place the belt inside the slots of the printed piece. Once it's secured, as shown in the video, just tighten it until the sticks are straight. If your printer is an Ender 3 like mine, for the top belt, just place it through the bottom part. And that's it, adjustments completed. If you use your printer frequently, it's recommended to do this every 2 weeks. But if you don't use it much, once every 2 months should be fine. If I helped you in any way, consider subscribing and leaving a like, and I'll see you in the next tasks. See you.